Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. Now we will discuss an illustration on labor costing for the calculation of earnings of the workers under rate piece rate, Halsey premium bonus and Rowan premium bonus method. So let us start. The three workers Govind, Ram and Sham produced 80 pieces, 100 pieces and 120 pieces respectively of a product X on a particular day in a factory. The time allowed for 10 units of product X is 1 hour and their hourly rate is 4 rupees. Calculate for each of these three workers the following. So what are all the things we need to calculate here? One thing is earnings for the day, and the second thing is effective rate of earnings per hour under straight piece rate, Halsey premium bonus, 50% sharing, and Rowan premium bonus method of labor remuneration. So under these three methods, we need to calculate the effective rate of earnings per hour, and also we have to calculate the earnings for the day. So for this, quickly see the solution. Here we have to prepare the statement of earnings. Okay. So let us first list down what are all the things they have given. Okay. So one thing, the production has been given in units. So Govind has produced 80 units, Ram produced 100 units and Sham produced 120 units. Likewise, the time allowed, so hours at 10 piece per hour. Okay. So it has told in the problem that in 1 hour they can produce 10 pieces or 10 units of the product. Okay. So how much time is allowed for Govind? It is 8 hours, and for Ram it is 10 hours, and for Sham it has given 12 hours. But what is the piece rate they have? This is rupees actually, not dollar. So rupees, 4 rupees divided by 10. Okay. So 4 rupees divided by 10 if you are doing, you will get 0.4, that is 40 paise for Govind, 40 paise for Ram and 40 paise for Sham. Why we are doing this? Because we are calculating the piece rate here. Okay. So it has assumed that 8 hours in one day they are working. So all workers have taken 8 hours in the day. Time saved, we have to calculate here. See, time allowed is 8 and time taken is also 8 hours. So he is not saving any time. In case of Ram, time allowed is 10 hours and time taken is 8 hours. So he is saving 2 hours. And likewise, Sham is saving 4 hours. Okay. Now, let us calculate the requirements. So the first requirement is we need to calculate the earning per day. How do we calculate earning per day here? So under all three methods we are calculating. Come to the straight piece rate for Govind. So he has, the production for Govind is 80 units. So he is producing 80 units, and what is the rate per piece is 40 paise. So he will get 32 rupees. Okay. 100 units Ram is producing at the rate of 40 paise. So Ram will get 40 rupees. Likewise, Sham is producing 120 units at the rate of 40 paise. So his earning will be 48 rupees as per the straight piece rate. And come to the Halsey premium bonus. How do we calculate this? Under Halsey premium bonus, wages is equal to time taken plus 50% of time saved multiplied by time rate. So here time taken by Govind is 8 hours and 50% of time saved we have to take. So it is 0 because he is not saving any time, and time rate is 4 rupees per hour. So it comes to 32 rupees in case of Govind. In the case of Ram, time taken is 8 hours plus 1. What is this plus 1? That is 50% of time saved. So Ram is saving 2 hours. 50% of this will be 1 hour. Okay. So 8 plus 1 multiplied by 4 rupees. So it comes to 36. In the case of Sham, time taken is 8 hours plus 50% of time saved. So he is saving 4 hours. So now 50% of that will be 2 hours. So multiplied by 4 rupees. So it comes to 40 rupees. So this is how we need to calculate the Halsey premium bonus earnings of the worker. So you can see here we have taken the same 32 in case of Govind, 36 in case of Ram and 40 rupees in case of Sham. So let us see the Rowan premium bonus now. Earning of the workers as per the Rowan premium bonus. Now, as per the Rowan premium bonus, wages we calculate as time taken multiplied by rate plus time saved divided by time allowed multiplied by time taken multiplied by rate. So now Govind, in case of Govind, 8 hours he is taking the time multiplied by rate is 4 rupees, and time saved he is not saving any time, that's why it is 0, divided by 8 which time allowed and multiplied by time taken again multiplied by 4 which is equal to 32 rupees. So in case of Ram, again time taken is 8 hours, 4 rupees is the rate. So time saved is 2 hours and time allowed is 10 multiplied by 8 hours time taken and the rate is 4 rupees per hour. So he got 38.40 as a earnings in case of Rowan premium. Then Sham, again time taken 8 hours. So 4 rupees is the rate. So 4 divided by 10 which is time saved divided by time allowed. 8 is the time taken and 4 rupees is the rate per hour. So 42 rupees 67 paise will be the earnings of Sham as per the Rowan premium bonus. So under Rowan premium bonus, Govind is 32 and Ram is taking 38 rupees 40 paise and Sham is taking 42 rupees 67 paise. So like this is the first requirement we have calculated, and the second requirement is effective rate of earnings per hour. So we have to calculate the effective rate of earnings for 1 hour. So now how to calculate this? Earnings divided by hours. So what is their earnings? Here he is getting 32 rupees and here 40 rupees and here it is 48 rupees. Okay. So now under straight piece rate, so it comes to 4 rupees. How do we calculate this? Earnings divided by hours. So earnings is 32 rupees divided by what is the time taken? How much time he has taken? That is 8 hours. So 32 divided by 8 we have did 4. Okay. So in case of Halsey plan also for Govind it is 4 hours and 4 hours because he has not saved any time. In case of Ram, under straight piece rate, so it comes to 5 rupees. How do we get this 5 rupees? 40 rupees divided by 8 hours he is taking. The time taken. What is the hours he is taking? 8 hours. So likewise, 36 rupees divided by 8 hours, that is 4.5. Again, 38.4 divided by 8 hours, that is 4.8. So in the same way, we need to calculate for Sham also. Okay. So this is how you need to calculate the earnings per day and the effective rate of earnings for the workers. If you have any doubts, any questions, you can post it in the comment section. And please subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. That's it in today's video. Thank you so much and all the best for your exam.